Beyond the reach of sunlight, deeper than any human could survive without protection, lies a world of nightmares and wonders. In the freezing pressure of the deep sea, life has evolved in ways that defy our understanding of biology. If you dropped Mount Everest into the ocean, its peak would still be thousands of feet below the surface. This is the abyss. Welcome to the deep. Stay with us as we uncover the strange creatures of the dark. Don't forget to subscribe for more wildlife discoveries. Meet the barrel-eye. At first glance, it looks like a creature from another planet. Its most striking feature? A completely transparent head. Those green spheres aren't its brain, they're its eyes. They can rotate upward to spot the faint silhouettes of prey against the distant surface light. This specialized design allows it to hunt without being seen, stealing food from stinging jellies in the pitch-black water. As we descend further into the bathypelagic zone, the pressure reaches over 400 times that of the surface. Floating here is the siphonophore. It looks like a single animal, but it's actually a floating colony of thousands of individual organisms. Some specimens reach over 150 feet in length, making them potentially the longest creatures on Earth, longer even than a blue whale. Each individual in the colony has a specific job. Some hunt, some eat, and some steer, all working together as a single deadly entity. Did you know that 90% of deep-sea animals produce their own light? It's used for communication, defense, and even luring prey. Some jellyfish, like the atolla, use flashes of light as a burglar alarm to attract even larger predators to eat whatever is attacking them. Deep in the canyons of the continental slope, we find the goblin shark, a living fossil that hasn't changed much in 125 million years. When it finds prey, its jaw can spring forward at lightning speed, a terrifying adaptation called slingshot feeding. This allows it to snatch elusive prey even in the low-energy environment of the deep, where every meal counts. If you're finding these deep-sea secrets as fascinating as we are, hit that like button to help more people discover the abyss. Not all monsters of the deep are scary. Meet the Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins that resemble the famous Disney elephant. These are the deepest living octopuses known, found at depths of up to 23,000 feet, where the pressure would crush most life instantly. They swallow their prey whole, feeding on worms and crustaceans that live in the deep-sea mud, surviving where light never reaches. On the seafloor, we find scavengers like the giant isopod. These massive crustaceans can grow up to 20 inches long. They are the cleanup crew of the deep, feasting on marine snow and the carcasses of whales that fall from the surface far above. Remarkably, they can survive for over 5 years without a single meal, slowing their metabolism to a near halt until the next food source arrives. In the deep, hunger is the greatest threat. The black swallower can eat fish twice its length and 10 times its own mass. Its stomach expands like a balloon, allowing it to take advantage of rare large meals that might be its only food for months. For centuries, we thought life required sunlight. But in 1977, we discovered hydrothermal vents, ecosystems powered entirely by chemicals. Here, giant tube worms and ghost white crabs thrive in water hot enough to melt lead, proving that life is far more resilient than we ever imagined. Despite our technology, more than 80% of our ocean remains unmapped and unexplored. Who knows what else is waiting in the dark? The vampire squid doesn't drink blood. When threatened, it turns its body inside out, exposing rows of soft spikes to deter predators. It can also shoot bioluminescent mucus into the water, creating a glowing cloud that hides its escape into the shadows. The ultimate deep-sea visitor is the sperm whale, diving over 7,000 feet to hunt the most elusive prize of all, the giant squid. These titans of the deep battle in total darkness, a struggle for survival that humans have rarely ever witnessed. But even this remote world is under threat. Plastic pollution and deep-sea mining are reaching the furthest corners of our planet. Protecting the deep is vital. These creatures play a crucial role in our planet's carbon cycle and support the health of our entire ocean. The deep sea reminds us of how much we still have to learn about our own world. It is the last great frontier on Earth. By exploring and understanding the abyss, we can ensure its wonders remain for generations to come. Thank you for diving with us. If you enjoyed this journey, please share it with a friend and subscribe to join our next expedition into the unknown. See you in the next one.